we're going to be solving the following problem. The admission fee at an amusement park is $3 for children and $5.20 for adults. On a certain day, 340 people entered the park. The admission fees collected totaled $1,460. How many children and adults were admitted? All right, let's highlight the most important or underline the most important information here. We're gonna have our totals. $3 price for children. Let's make that 3x, and then plus 5.2y for the admission fee for adults. And when you add these totals together, we have $1,460. That's going to be our first equation. Our second equation is going to be number of children plus number of adults equals 340 total people that entered. All right, now we have two equations. We have a system of equations now. And to make our life easier, let's begin by solving the second equation. We're going to isolate x. So that means that here x equals 340 minus y on both sides minus y. We're going to input this value of x for the second equation here. So that means we have 3x, delete that, parentheses, 340 minus y. That's the value of x plus the rest of the equation, 5.2y equals, my dog keeps playing with a bottle. Sorry about that. Max, what are you doing? Let me bring him over. This is Max. Say hi, Max. All right. Where were we? Oh, okay, yeah. 1, 4, 6, 0. Let's distribute this 3. That means 3 times that. That looks like a big number. Let's do it the good old-fashioned way. So 3 times 0, it's 12. Over here we have a 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Then that means 10 minus 3y plus 5.2y equals 1460. Alright, next up, combine like terms here and subtract 1020 from both sides. Over here we have a 2.2y equals, let's subtract over here. 0, 4, and then we have 4 there. Alright, divide by 2.2. Y equals no. Am I solving for one? Yeah. 200. So now to find the total here, to solve for x, we're gonna input it into this equation here. X plus 200 equals 340. So we subtract 200 minus 200, x equals 140. And when we started this, it's $3 for children. So we have 140 children, and it is 520 for adults. We have 200 adults. And that satisfies our requirements. Thank you for watching.